Hello everyone. Thanks for joining. And today I'm going to discuss there's two topics basically. One is workspaces and other is data sources. So these two are vital basically topics are very essential and we have a major significance such as like for workspaces as we deal just not only like a default one we have like a dev prod and staging area, so it depends on the showcasing where we are working, and as dev goes to development area, prod goes to production area, and the stage goes to staging area for testing. So according to that we just make our workspace, and we when we make our workspace according to that way, then we pursue, and we can able to basically declare our workspace in the script, and so that the server is going to build in that particular workspace, and the tags will be there accordingly. So that's a little major scenario for the workspace. As the definition itself, workspace is an isolated environment for managing infrastructure. Each workspace maintains its own state file. So state file is very important because as like always in developing and the staging, we use the basic level types or like configuration, but in the production we always use the extra large or like the higher configuration, vertical scaling we always perform. So we have said that state file with the respective workspace, and according to that like we need to pursue. So as we can jump in like to see like how we can able to use. So there back and forth I'm going to show you demonstration and the theory as well, because this is two topics we are covering today, and we have a vital information, like so much information about it. I just made a new file for you, and that is this is main.tf file, and where I have defined the workspace here, if you can see, and in the variables you see like I only defined the default dev and prod. So this three environment, and according to that I put it the default basic instance type. So we can jump into see Terraform workspace list at present. So it will show us like there's just like default is there always when you have a Terraform. However, if you want to add on more, you can do add like as much as we when we have a task here. Terraform new workspace, new dev. So we made a dev, and then we want prod as well because we have requirement for prod as well. So now, if you go and check it with the help of Terraform workspace list, so you have three spaces, workspaces, default, dev, and prod. And as you make it, it got switched to prod right now. And if you want to just go back and basically switch to like you can able to switch anytime to anyone. You just need to do one thing. You just need to go and perform Terraform. Let me write it. So I just need to write Terraform workspace select tab, let's say. So it shows me message switch to workspace tab, and we can see the star as well on tab. So like that, like we can able to switch like in for any workspace according to our requirement, and we can able to perform. However, as per like our requirement is today just not to play with the workspaces. Workspace is essential always, like because we can able to perform, and also we can able to manage the workspace as per our requirement. The major thing like which I want to show you for as a data resources, because that is the major thing like because you I told you initially we have three things: the resources, the data resources, and modules. So these three things are the major always. Let me pull up for you the okay. Okay, it's there. So data sources is here already here. Data sources allow Terraform to use information defined outside of Terraform. So basically, what it does, data resources, it provides the updated data related to, like, such as if we want to know the latest the related to image, like the what is the wait a second, what is the kernel, device type, virtualization type. So these all, like, if we want to define inside our data, so it will get it like the latest thing for us, and that image which suits to our requirement. As I put it this, so the Terraform itself, the after running this configuration, it will find us for us. If you see here, I didn't put any image ID here because uh, this I need to leave a empty for the default AMI Linux AMI. So data the Terraform itself going to see like, hey, okay, these all the requirements are there, and I need to fetch this file specifically. If you remember, like, we have two option, x86 AMD, so which one like we want, according to that we need to pursue. And other things are, if you see, they are same, so there's nothing difference, just the data and the there is a space workspace which we are going to use. So if you see this workspace, I already the tags are there. And I and also one more thing, I just pushed the user data dot template. If you remember, before that we used to write the user data in the previous videos, but also this is a way to push the your template, even though your if you want the shell script, you can write here shell script also, you can push. It depends on you. So this is the simple bash file I have, where I'm going to update it, install package, and I need the list of what all the packages has been installed, and that goes to store in the temp folder inside my EC2. And there's two EC2 instances which I am going to make, and after then the public IPs for both I needed to get access. So it looks direct for and also if you will see, like, there's nothing major changes, just like the two things. So I want to introduce today in today's special topic is Terraform data sources and the Terraform workspaces. Let's do the plan first to see, like, how things are working for us. So is there Terraform plan is there? Let's scroll to up and we will see EC2 1. This is first instance with the, like, AMI. I didn't put it; they got it automatically, which is latest, and T2 micro, and there's other user data, the template that is going to fetch inside that EC2, and same thing is going to happen for EC2 second number, and this VPC SSH. It looks good for me, like nothing is major, just like all the things which we put it. So let's do Terraform apply to see how things are working for us. And meantime, I didn't open my this. I need to just okay, let me log in. Okay, as it is getting creating, it won't take too much time. It will just in a couple of minutes, like, it's see. So as you can see right now, we have the two instances up and running with all the configuration which we required. So we can directly jump into the configuration itself to see, like, especially that temp folder which I show you, like, we must have our EC2 instances. uh, Meantime, I want to show you one more thing. There you go. So there is two, see, web server one and for dev especially. So why dev is coming up, like, if you remember, because as I already show you, as we are in dev, So that's why the dev is associated, because already I embedded the workspace for the tagging as well. I will show you. So see, name as the Terraform dot workspace. So it will directly get it from here, and the web server is the name which we already put it, and that's the thing. We don't need to see more things like specific IPs. So we can get it IPs from here. So let's pull into copy this IP. When Stoker EC2 user at, yes, we so cd slash temp ls. So if you see what I put it here, with the name package stylist.txt. So it is already there. We can cat. Okay, so I think there's no like there won't be any new packages installed. That's why we didn't get anything here. Otherwise, if like there's anything new, things can go down, because that would be latest version. That's why there's no new package has been installed. If like let's say like in future, we this execution happen, it will give us if there any new packages getting installed. So that is a major thing. And one more thing I want to mention. I just updated today our GitHub with the automation. Basically, I used GitHub Actions. So if you can see, I put it the script here, uh, who provide the tagging as well, because what happened like before that, when I was pushing, there is no tagging thing there. So we are just pushing and deleting the old ones. So this script, what it will do, with the help of GitHub Actions, we are asserting the tagging, and the tagging, if you want to see, as here is the tagging. So you just need to go here and download the source code from here. So that is the easiest way. Let's do one thing. I will show you. uh, git add. So okay, git status. So there is, I think everything I put it here, that's fine. Git add. I just need to update main variables and user template. Git commit slash m. So this is we Terraform workspaces and data resources. These two things we have performed. So git push. So yeah, it got pushed there. So if you go there, so you can see like there's a all communications are there, and you just need to go and get it a new versioning tag, and you just need to go and download that, and that's a major thing. And after then you just need to see now, this is 1 hour before. So this now we are we what whatever is there, it is already in the zip file. You just go and directly grab from there. So yeah, that's it. And I know like this GitHub, I can make a video for you as well. Like if you want to know how you can set up GitHub Actions, that's like very tagged away from settings. You need to go and there is if you go little down, I can show you here uh, in wait a second. So here's the actions. So two times general runners. So you need to select that, and you need to just perform the allow there in the here. Return add permission or workflow permission, because we are performing the workflow here. We're using workflow, so we enable that, and we write the workflow here, and we can able to perform. Okay, guys, thank you so much.